Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pinterest and you will click here. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pinterest. And here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.